as usual, we got our container in and it's packed to the back.
This is for you guys. I want to go home. Hey, my finger!
It is literally 8:40. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we're almost done with the truck. Everyone's pretty tired right now, but they kicked ass. I don't know if you guys can see, but the wall's back there. We out here. We pretty much got everything off the truck. Super excited to see what we got. Not bad. Looks like we got some work stuff over here. You know, good old up garage box. Oh, and don't forget about the blanks. You know, we got a ton of goodies in these.
Let me again, little boy.
What the? Hey, back up.
Oh, there he is. We found him, the pilot. Hell yeah. Oh, don't f up. Hell yeah. Dope.
Tips over.
It blows up in your hand. You know, we had to whip the drone out.
See all the shining and glistening polish.
Get it, boys. Send her on home.
There's some Gatorade in the freezer. They're hot.
That is a wrap for today's video. We really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Smash that like button if you did. And if you guys are interested in any of the wheels that you just saw right now, make sure to hit up threepiece.us so you can pick up your fresh set of JDM wheels today. And as always, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.